Hello YouTube. This is just a quick update on my main rig. I upgraded the CPU cooler. This is the cooler that I used on my i3 and my i7 for quite a while, and this fan revved up and got pretty loud whenever the processor was being used. So I decided to upgrade it to something a little bit better and a little bit bigger. Although this cooler is still very good. I'll probably use this on the i3 system. But this is the cooler I upgraded to. It's a Dynatron ball bearing fan cooler. So it's a much better one. As you can see, the fan is a lot bigger. The heatsink part itself is pretty similar to the old one. It's not that much different. The screw down design is nice. The back plate is really weird though. It has two pieces that you adhere to the back and then you screw it down on instead of just one big piece like this one has. But this one's plastic, and what the Dynatron has is metal, which is really nice. So there you go. Plus this actually has a fan grill, so cables won't get caught in it and things like that. So it's a much better cooler. We'll have to see how loud it is once I go plug it in. The one thing that really annoys me about this board is that, actually about this Corsair RAM, this Corsair Vengeance stuff. Heatsinks get in the way of it, and that is all too true here. Look at this. It gets right in the way of a slot. So I can't use the rest of my Corsair Vengeance RAM in here. So I have to run on 8 gigs, which is fine. I mean, I don't. When the hell am I going to use 16 gigs? I could always just stick a whole new kit of RAM in here eventually, which I probably will do. So 8 gigs is fine for now. I might just live on that because I'm not going to use 16. I don't use virtual machines much anymore because I have so many real computers around. So, there you have it. Upgraded to this nice Dynatron cooler. We'll be able to hear how loud it is once I go plug it in, so let me go do that real quick. Okay, let's turn this on and see how it sounds. Turn my stereo on and everything just to make sure it's all working. And, oh, that's much quieter. Listen to that. There's no noise coming from that. And even when it gets loud, it's not ridiculously... Well, it's not ridiculous. It's pretty good, actually. Not bad at all. Okay, what I'll do is I'll render a video in 720p, and we will see what the processor sounds like. Name that test. Let's see if this thing got any louder. Having the light on when doing that is helpful, so let's try it. It's rendering now. How loud does this fan get when exporting video? The answer is not very loud at all. I can hear it, but it's not that loud. That's pretty sweet. Much, much, much quieter than the old one. Yeah, it doesn't make a whine or anything like the old one did. The old one made a nice whine, so there you have it. Well, I call that CPU cooler upgrade a success at what it was supposed to do, although this RAM, I need to change out this RAM because it's just getting in the way. I'm still going to use this RAM, but it's just not, it just doesn't work in this machine. So there you go. There you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this brief video about a new CPU cooler. Just a slight upgrade with a bigger fan. And, there you have it, guys. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao.